Bitcoin charts are indicating we are about to enter a parabolic zone. Are we going to see Bitcoin hit $100,000? What's going on, guys? And welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host, Umar Khan, and today we're taking a deep dive on Bitcoin. We're looking at charts, we're looking at technical analysis, we're looking at news. There's a bunch of exciting things are ahead for Bitcoin that could rally this token to the moon. So here is your Bitcoin update video. Before we start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below to reach your 2024 crypto goals. And like always, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money on the cryptos we cover on this channel. Let's jump right into the news. We can see the overall markets are up 3% today. We're currently sitting neutral. Yesterday, we got back into greed, and we're anticipating to re-enter greed and hopefully extreme greed throughout the summer. Again, the crypto markets are just warming up again. The stock market is warming again with the meme stocks, so we're anticipating some money to bleed over. Bitcoin currently sitting at $66,000, about to dance with $67,000, and we're really anticipating to see a $70,000 Bitcoin this week. We see this as well. This was a nice formation that we're seeing. We see the Bitcoin inverse head and shoulders pattern has a price target of $72,000. So the price target is $72,000. If this continues, this could be absolutely parabolic. There's a bunch of news and updates I want to cover as well. But when looking at the technicals as well, guys, again, very, very bullish. We're seeing Bitcoin summary in strong buy as oscillators are indicating buy, and the moving averages are in strong buy as people are loading up on Bitcoin. Guys, the Bitcoin craze is not over just yet. We were anticipating, obviously, post-halving to see Bitcoin go absolutely parabolic, which, yeah, we saw some good gains. The past 6 months up over 83%, not too shabby, and on the past year up 144%. Again, not too bad, as this is going to be our gold standard in terms of cryptocurrencies, and this anticipates how the market is going to continue to play out. We can even see Bitcoin getting covered widely across the news. Bitcoin ETFs attracts hedge funds. We can see Morgan Stanley's latest bank to disclose a spot of the Bitcoin ETF holdings for its clients. Morgan Stanley disclosed a $270 million investment in Grayscale Bitcoin ETF. The point is, people are starting to ape into Bitcoin, and that's exactly what we wanted to see from the start. We want investor confidence. We want people to load up on Bitcoin, right? This is another chart formation we're seeing. The Bitcoin bull flag is about to break out. We can see a perfect flag formation, picture perfect flag pattern, and we can easily see this breakthrough and really break us into the $70,000, potentially even $80,000 range. Earlier this year, we did break all-time highs, sitting close to $72,000. If we get to $80,000 in the next couple of weeks, that could be absolutely insane for all of us loading up on Bitcoin. Again, people are very bullish overall for Bitcoin, so that is great to see. We even see, this is an article I was reading a bit earlier, millennials 0.72 and Elliott are among Bitcoin's ETS buyers. Retail owns most of the float, but money managers have walled it in. We can see all ETS purchases are unclear but determined, but demand is evident as the demand for Bitcoin is going absolute berserk. There's some tweets I want to highlight as well, guys, so come over and follow me on Twitter if you want to get some of this Bitcoin news. But you see this video as well, I want to really highlight quickly. So Bitcoin parabolic trend continuation, Bitcoin to $90,000, it's quite possible.
And so where are we? We're at base 4, which means we have a major push up towards the sell point of the current trend. This is a parabolic trend target, not a cycle peak. Of here, a bounce.
So we can see a picture perfect
parabolic trend line,
textbook level copying, right? We can see this is a parabolic curve pattern from a textbook, and look at the chart in the actual drawing out, and look at our Bitcoin formation, right? So if we really are in base 4, we can easily see a $90,000 Bitcoin. Now, if we do break to 90,000, I anticipate a massive sell-off. So again, get ready to take some profits. But for all my diamond hands in there, let's ride this to a 6-figure Bitcoin. If you want to watch this entire, it's a short clip, so a minute 30 seconds, come over on Twitter. We see this was actually very interesting as well. So $100 in Bitcoin per month versus gold versus savings. So we can see it's starting off in 2014, right? All pretty close relatively in the 3-year span. But come 2016, Bitcoin absolutely would pop off. And this is if you just invested $100 in Bitcoin, didn't matter about the price, just auto deposit, right? Look at the difference. Look at the difference. It's absolutely insane, right? And this is just the power of Bitcoin. And remember, Bitcoin has not become a gold standard just yet, meaning there is still time for this to continue to pump, so you can continue to start dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin. This is another massive news. Grayscale spot ETF had $30 million in inflows today, which is absolutely insane. We're so bullish for what's going to come next for Bitcoin here on the 99B YouTube channel. So stay tuned for the latest and greatest news and updates. Again, we're watching Bitcoin closely, we're watching the markets closely, and we're seeing some bullish trends across the boards. Hopefully we're going to re-enter a meme mania. Our altcoins are going to start pumping again, and Bitcoin is going to start pumping again. But like always, it's not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. Let me know how you guys are feeling about Bitcoin in the comment section below. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? And that wraps up the video. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.